My name is Luis Daniel Chávez Vargas, an undergraduate student from the Faculty of Chemistry of Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México. As you can see in the synthesis scheme, every product was obtained by a raw material, 2-amino 5-nitrobenzonitrile, and then we need to follow the chemical synthesis to obtain 8 different derivatives of twofold diamino quinazolines. Why is it necessary to evaluate the inhibition function on LDH? The enzyme lactate dehydrogenase catalyzes the oxidation of pyruvic acid to lactic acid, and there is information that its increase is in accordance with the rate of duplication of neoplastic cells, with a directly proportional relation to tumor volume. If a cancer cell is benefited with a high concentration of lactic acid, which promotes inflammatory response factors and attracts macrophages that secrete substances that promote cell growth and metastasis, an excess of lactate gives the direct environment for it to bubble. However, if this production is stopped and the concentration of pyruvate is favored instead, all of the above does not occur, decreasing the probability of survival of the cancer cell. Figure 1 shows the results of a molecular docking. In this case, the product 3-ClQD with an R1 equal to hydrogen and an R2 equal to chloride in position 3. It interacts with 3 amino acids, understanding then that the binding can occur. Figure 2 shows the results obtained. At first instance, it is observed that only the QD compound does not present an adequate inhibition of LDH, since its value is practically null. On the other hand, the DCLFQ compound presents an inhibition percentage value bigger than 100%, which could be considered as a mistake, but it's not necessary, since there is a probability that this compound absorbs a certain amount of light from the emission source, producing an increase in its fluorescence value and making an illusion of a higher concentration of NADH. In conclusion, the results show that at least 7 of the 8 compounds present a higher inhibition percentage than the reference, NHI2, which means that they fulfill their inhibition function of LDHA on NADH site.